Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and dear students, to the video presenting the creation of databases, tables, using MySQL. So, we just have to open my PHP admin environment, make sure all your servers are running, go to localhost, and this is the MySQL working environment. So all you have to do is create a new database first. By clicking new, just enter the name of your database. You can use also collision if you are about to enter data in multilingual form, like in Korean, in Arabic, in French, other than English. And then just click create. Here we go now. The database has been created, and now we have to create the tables of the database. This is the SQL command editor, and we go to text file that we saved all the commands to speed up the process instead of typing the commands. Go again to SQL command editor, paste, and then always save it for future reference. I want to go back and change the SQL command or do some modifications, then you always have to save it. Then just click go, and the table will be created, the salesperson table. So under our database should see our salesperson table created. Here we go. So you can just choose salesperson and see the structure, the columns of the table, or the attributes of the table. Okay, salesperson ID, you see the gold key, this means a primary key, it's already defined. The rest of the fields, some of the attributes are just null, others have the default, like the salary attribute has a default. You can change or even delete by dropping the column. This is the insert menu where we can insert data. This is something that we see in the next videos. Go back to SQL and copy the rest of the tables. Let's create our full database with all the tables before we start inserting data. So we follow the same process. Copy paste into the SQL command editor and then save it and run it by clicking go. Again, if your create table command is not has mistakes, then you'll get an error message and the table will not be created. Hopefully all our commands are running according to SQL, to MySQL syntax, and they're are successfully created. last table we have to create is the sales items table. As you can see, it has a composite primary key. Let's see how we create this table. Save it. And then go. So now we have a complete database structure with all the tables, and you can just see the structure of each table. It's the primary key again. Let's see another table. No data entered yet. Let's see the structure of the table. Product table with product ID as primary key. Sales item, no products entered yet, no data entered yet, sorry. And then we have a composite key here, composed of sale ID and product ID. If you click on database and then structure, you see all the tables together, and you can just browse, change, or even delete the table by dropping.